Hello, welcome to another video. This time I have special goods for you. Let's see what's in the box. Let's see. I have to be careful for not showing my address. Let's see what's in the box. Wow, a white brand PS4 controller. There is a gold one. Let's see the other packaging. Let's see. They are very good sealed. You can see that the control don't come damaged or anything. There's a blue one. And let's show the final one. The final controller. They are cheap, but they are full compatibility with PS4. For me, the more beautiful is the blue. Let me show you. This cost me $20 each one. It's a good price. Come with the USB cable. It's exactly the original, but are knockoff. I'm not gonna show you this because they're practically the same. I'm gonna show the gold one. If you like the video, thumbs up in the video and leave a comment. If you want, I'll send you the link for you to buy your knockout controller for PS4. And it's not weak plastic or anything. It's a good construction. Okay, see you next time, guys. See ya.